In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a contact photo on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the Contacts app or the phone app. So open that and then go to Contacts. And then select a contact you want to add a contact photo. So let me choose a random one like that. And you should see options at the bottom of the screen: favorites, edit, share, and more. To add a contact photo, tap on edit, and then you should see the contact icon at the top. So what you want to do is to tap on it like that, then choose where you want your contact photo to come from. It can be from gallery. You can use the camera app to take a picture. It can be an AR emoji or a sticker. So let me choose one from the gallery, and then let me select this. Then use your fingers to pinch and drag the photo frame to wherever it is you want it to be. And then use these lines to see how small or how large you want the contact photo to be. So I want mine to be around there, and then I'll drag it to the center so it's like that. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on done, and you'll notice that your contact now has a new profile photo. So to save that, simply tap on save, and you'll notice that the profile photo has changed. If you want to use a different item, such as a sticker, just go back, tap on the minus button here, and then select stickers. Then use stickers that are available on your device, or create one using a gallery photo like that. Or even you can use an emoji sticker or a reactions sticker. It's up to you. So when you're happy, just tap on save and it will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.